On Spirit Airlines, they charged $3 for coffee. I had cups and the coffee, so I made my own. First, you take a sharp object and you're going to poke a hole in the bottom of one cup. Actually, make that poking 3 holes so it will drip a little bit quicker. Now you're going to take the grounds and put them in the cup that doesn't have the holes. Pour hot water into them. You may need to finagle that from the flight attendant. That's then Turkish coffee, or you let it brew for 3 minutes and pour it into the filter cup. Have the bottom plugged like this so you don't drip it everywhere. Now again, this was after 3 minutes of brewing. I lifted up over to the clean cup and let it begin to percolate. People were definitely snickering while I did this, but it seemed like they were happy for me. And here you can see, after a few minutes, I had a fresh cup of coffee that I brewed myself with just the cups on the airplane. Enjoy!